Hello. Starting with NAKIVO Backup and Replication is fast and straightforward. In this video, I show you how to install and configure NAKIVO Backup and Replication in 2 minutes. Once you have downloaded the installer file, just launch the installer. First, you'll need to select the installer language. Next, choose the installation type: full solution, transporter-only solution, or multi-tenant solution. If you'd like to automatically create a backup repository, check the Create Repository option and provide the path to the backup repository. As for certificates, they are optional and can be configured by clicking on More Options. For this quick demo, we'll skip the certificate configuration. Under More Options, you can also change the installation path, modify product ports, and use your own certificate if needed. Then accept the license agreement and click Install. Now click Finish and open to go to the web interface. You may need to pass the standard security warning in your web browser by clicking Advanced. Then click Accept the risk and Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to create an account. Enter a name, username, email, and password and click Create Account. NAKIVO Backup and Replication is now installed and ready to be used. Now, let's configure the solution so you can start your data protection activities. Step 1. Add the environment you need to protect. Under Settings Inventory, click the plus button. In the Add Inventory item wizard, select your platform and type. I choose Virtual and VMware vCenter. At the Options step, specify the display name, host name or IP address, the username, and the password. Click Add, and NAKIVO Backup and Replication will discover the vCenter server and add it to the inventory list. You can find more videos about how to add different environments to NAKIVO Backup and Replication under this video. Step 2. Go to Nodes. Choose the onboard transporter, which is installed as part of the full solution, or add as many transporters as you need for managing your virtual environment. Step 3. Choose the pre-created onboard backup repository, or add more repositories and click Finish. Now you are ready to create your first backup job. Go to Data Protection and click the plus sign and select Backup for VMware. This will open the Backup Job Wizard. First, select the items you want to back up. Second, select the storage destination for your backups. Third, choose the frequency of backups or create a custom schedule. Finally, configure advanced backup job settings and click Finish and Run. Confirm running the job. That's it. We've created a VMware backup job, but you can follow the same steps to create backup jobs for other virtual environments like Hyper-V and Proxmox, as well as for Linux and Windows physical servers and even Microsoft 365 apps and services. Thank you for watching.